Did you know that the Limestone District School Board is located on the traditional territories of the Anishinaabe and the Haudenosaunee?
We acknowledge their enduring presence on this land, as well as the presence of the Métis, Inuit, and other First Nations from across Turtle Island.
But what can we learn from this history?
What lessons can be passed down to help us live our best lives?
Among many of the original instructions, teachings, and principles of the Anishinaabe are the 7 sacred grandfather teachings.
Each teaching was given to the Anishinaabe as a gift, used as a tool to live a good life without conflict or contradiction.
This way we can live on earth in peace with all living things.
Here at Fairfield, we have been learning about the 7 sacred grandfather teachings, focusing on one teaching a month.
We acknowledge these teachings and share their stories so that each student in our school can carry the knowledge and adopt the morals, values, and structures of these very important messages.
This month's grandfather teaching is on love.
This teaching is important, as it is believed that you must understand and live the other 6 teachings before you can love.
Do you know what the other 6 grandfather teachings are?
Let's explore.
First up is humility. Humility is represented by the wolf because wolves live in packs, and in order to survive, they need to work together. Humility is to know that you are a sacred part of creation. Here we focus on living our lives more selflessly and less selfishly, finding balance within yourself and all living things.
The second teaching is bravery. Bravery is represented by the bear. The mother bear has courage and strength to face her fears and challenges in order to protect her young. The bear can also teach us that balance is important. We must live our lives with rest, survival, and play. We may all have difficulties in our life, but bravery will teach us to face your fears and stand up for what you believe in.
Number 3 is honesty. Honesty is represented by the raven. The raven is known to accept him or herself and use what he has been given in order to survive and thrive. Be yourself and celebrate the gifts you have been given.
And now we have wisdom. Wisdom is represented by the beaver. The beaver is able to alter his natural environment in a friendly way in order to benefit his family. He does this by building dams. This gift of knowledge is powerful, and to cherish knowledge is to know wisdom. The beaver reminds us to continuously observe our life and all things around us, to allow ourselves to learn and live by our wisdom.
Truth is represented by the turtle. The turtle was here during the creation of Earth and carries the teachings of life on his back. Have you ever wondered why turtles move so slowly? It is because he understands the importance of both the journey and the destination. Truth is to know all these things, to understand your place in life, and to be true to yourself and all other things.
The 6th teaching is respect. Respect is represented by the buffalo. The buffalo respects the balance and needs of others. In order to acknowledge the honor of all creations, you have to have respect. The buffalo reminds us not to waste and to be mindful of all living things. Share with others, take only what you need, and treat others the way you would like to be treated.
Finally, we have love.
Why is love so important?
Love is represented by the eagle because the eagle has the strength to carry all the teachings. Humility, bravery, honesty, wisdom, truth, and respect. Because the eagle can fly so high, it has the ability to see all the ways of being from a great distance. The eagle's teaching of love is important to all of the other teachings and can be found in all of them. The eagle reminds us to love yourself truly and be at peace with all things on earth.
Because love is the core of all the 7 grandfather teachings. The eagle's feather is considered the highest honor and a sacred gift. Each of our Fairfield classes have been given their own eagle feathers and have explored what they believe love is.
Let's take a look.
Our names are Haley and Max. We are in Mr. McCree's grade 7A class. We believe love is
caring for someone beyond anything and everything, no matter the distance, race, or gender.
Our names are Kaylee and Fergus. We are in Miss Scott's grade 7A class, and we believe love is
beautiful, happy, caring, and a bond with someone.
Our names are Alex and Ella. We are in Miss Kennedy's grade 6 class, and we believe love is
accepting yourself and accepting others for who they are.
Our names are Jade and Asher. We are in Miss Norman's grade 3-4 class, and we believe love is
Kind and peaceful connections that can be both expected and unexpected.
Our names are Brooklyn and Carter. We are in Miss Beckstead's grade 5 class, and we believe love is
very powerful, being kind to everyone. Love is more than just friendship.
Our names are Kira and Landon. We are in Miss Cochran's grade 4-5 class, and we believe love is
when someone has been there for me, when we feel comfortable and we trust them. Our names are Addison and Jacob. We are in Miss Pennell's grade 2 class, and we believe love is all you need.
Our names are Avery and Andrew, and we are in Miss Winsley's grade 2-3 class, and we believe love is
being kind and respectful to others.
Hello.
What are your names?
Trent and Abby.
And what grade are you in?
Kindergarten.
And what do you guys think love is?
Making cookies with each other.
What are your names?
Keaton and Zoe.
And what class are you in?
SK1.
Who's your teacher?
Miss Collins.
And what do you guys believe love is?
Loving somebody else.
I am Miss Allport, and this is Miss Cassie, and we represent the staff at Fairfield Elementary School, and
we believe love is being kind.